Want to make searching on Google even faster? You can add the Google search bar right to your Android home screen. Here's how to do it easily. Start by tapping and holding on any empty space on your home screen. This will open a few options at the bottom of your screen. Now, tap on Widgets. This is where all the extra tools and shortcuts live. Scroll through the list until you find Google. Under Google, you'll see the search bar widget. This is the one we want. Press and hold the Google search bar, then drag it to your home screen. You can place it wherever it looks best. Top, middle, or bottom, it's up to you. Once you've placed it, just lift your finger, and you're done. The search bar is now added and ready to use. Now, anytime you want to search something, just tap the bar. No need to open the browser or the Google app separately. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and check out more simple Android tips on the channel.